USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in same page on ongoing civil justice sign off. Is all for USA, Republican government, Lucifer, the satanic organization, the Antichrist created, tax mandate, COVID 19 as in state tax mandate was created only to enforce poverty for fellow mankind, and it is $1 trillion error, and it is a deadliest crime provided by the Republican government. That's no excuse for them, right? Because it's deadliest crime, and civil justice must be provided, right? So USA Republican government. So this testimony is all about the state tax mandates. Can you all see when they should have had at least being on a human level, okay, if at all they wanted to provide state or tax process, they should have had only United States at least would have had at least one process, right? But rather they provided layer of tax. That is wrong. So discipline must be provided. See, so what if I provide the civil justice? Okay, Republican government provided state tax mandate and federal tax mandate, means the crime is not seen in a clear way. Versus if I'm addressing the crime in a separate way, then people are able to understand, oh, the entire federal tax mandate is only created for poverty, and that too created by USA Republican government. Oh, all along they have been providing a mask, an illusion that they are the holy people, holy Christian people. But then they were the one who created hell. All because of why? Are you tell me, are humans in the Republican government as of today, are they monsters? No, right? They are what? Humans. See, for me, I already conveyed to you all to be on the same page. It does not even matter for me whether you're a Republican or a Democrat. Behind the scenes, for me, it's always, are you human? Always. That is all it need for me. Right? Because Republican and the Democrat words was created for a selfish reasons. You all know what it is, right? It was only created, divided government. See, divided we fall, united we stand, means there's a reason behind it, right? And you all must have been aware of that, all that Aesop's fables story that comes with the moral, right? So there is a story also where the lion tries to consume a cow or whatever, but then when they were all in a group, then the lion could not do anything. But only when it was separated, then it was able to hunt. So that means united we stand means what happens means even out of that indifference, because nobody will have the same mentality, nobody will have the same thing, because the conflict of interest will be varying, right? Whatever I like, my peers might hate it, and whatever my peers might see, I might look it in a different way, right? It is a normal thing. So that normal thing, when people are able to understand, then they can provide their excellent tolerance process, right? Because it has to be extra tolerant when you're moving forward to provide an excellent team processing model. That is very important. Tolerance, being tolerant, right? And that means extra mild tolerance, means extra tolerant. And from my end, I can tell that I have displayed my extra tolerance in my entire lifetime, which I've been living through. So according to my best of the ability. So that is pretty much it. So the Republican government, they were fooling I already said, when USA never knows that there needs to be only one government, boom, that is the error, right? That disqualifies USA nation itself to be a nation in the first place. So there is that foolishness provided, and people are thinking it's a normal for a USA to have a Republican government and the Democrat government, means who intoxicated that lethal toxin into the civilians, innocent civilians in the United States of America, be it Senate or GOP or whatever. It is Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, right? So they are all slaves to Pope Francis, my dear fellow mankind, and that needs to be stopped. That slavery to the Pope Francis needs to be stopped. And who can do that? Only I can do that. Because why? Because I only know all the true proof, right? He absolutely will resign, and President Joe Biden also have to resign for the healthy processing. right? Because I've been proving every single day and day that scandal is deadliest, crime is deadliest. Each microsecond Pope Francis is allowed to live free, it is deadliest, dangerous to entire human kingdom. So I will have to provide civil justice sign off of Republic government for the year 2016 and 2020, right? That is President Trump administration. Okay, so you all might be wondering why this lady, stupid lady, is still addressing President Trump as a Trump when he's already done with his job and he's started to move on with his after math of his presidency. No, see, he was president during that time era, so I have to address him that way. That is a healthy civil justice process. Okay. And financial compensation process part A is USA must pay tax-free $500,000 to total population. And financial compensation process part B is each government agencies, right? Be it Department of Child and Families, or be it bank services, or be it groceries, all must pay $500 billion because of the government provided crime. So they all are interrelated only. Nobody can separate government agencies from the government like that, because they get fundings only from the Pope Francis, right? So, but DCF and all the government agencies are helpless mode. Why? Because they got the roadblock upfront from the either of the government. Even that every 4 years that elections and then government change, that itself is wrong, because how much of human labor provided have to be changed according to the new government, like that itself is a lot of labor, right? That's not how it should be. So entire operations, USA operations, has been destroyed in pieces, my dear fellow mankind, and that needs to be fixed. I can fix it. I can educate how to provide a government processing. That is a very holiest process, right? In true Christianity alone, national government process is the holiest process in the entire earth. But then tell how can you all understand how people are only mocking the politicians worldwide forever? Because politicians are eating the population's money, and they do is only sweet talk, and they never do any programs, welfare programs in the government at all. And so that itself displays why people on the blinded eyes only they are providing all this. So on the baseline wisdom, nobody's monsters. People in the Republican government, they are not monsters. They are humans. They have the blood cells, but only thing is their brains are got into the foolish mode. Once when a people's brain becomes malfunction in the foolish mode, what did I say? They will not understand wisdom, education, no matter what. The vices will be the sufferers, right? But still, why I am educating only wisdom? I am praying to God, because there is that I am providing services is one labor. Then God's labor is side. So God will intervene, and it will be a team effort. That's a God's Holy Spirit part. So when I'm talking and when I'm providing the civil justice, that is one part of the labor. The other labor is God will provide His labor, God's labor, right? That means it will be God only who will make the foolish, absolute foolish, infinite Republican government to understand what is the deadliest crime all about. And there is that helpless part. See, once when government is broken in pieces, they might even be feeling shame and guilt. Oh no, what we did, we all, without any awareness, only in front of our eyes, only our own government shattered in pieces. What to do? Will there be Republican government, or will there not be? Like that. But what I can do as a true friend, I can only bail the Republican government as a true friend. That is what a true friend always does, right? Always slap on the foolish people, and then discipline, and then have the foolish people walk on the wisdom ways. So what is the wisest choice all the Republican government world population can do? They all can at least transition immediately to be the Democrats. See, all Democrats are not angels, and all Republicans are not devils. Okay, that means there's a balance between, because we humans are too humane, right, by default. But then when all the unhealthy toxins are injected, the humans become helpless mode. So Pope Francis, he was the one who fooled the Republican government. Queen of England, when during the 18th century, during the British colonization, even it's my understanding the state of Wisconsin was not even considered a state, but still was under the colonization of the British, right? So she fooled, like it was like more of like a slavery mode. You do this, then I will provide operations for the state of Wisconsin. Like that mode means she enforced the population of state of Wisconsin to be purest slaves to Queen of England. It's not only state of Wisconsin. You name all the 50 states are purest slaves only to Queen England, and they are in a self-survival mode. And when the government was in only one government, she just divided it. Can you all see how evil she is? Right? She is never a queen, she proved, right? So it was during the 18th century. That's a many layers of truth behind it. I will display one by one later. So on the highest level, she just divided the government to be a Republican government and the Democrat government. Why means in order to fool the population. So Democrats will tell, oh, we are always Democrats, meaning, in the name of democracy. Democracy definition is what? For the humans, by the humans, to the humans. It is only for the humans' welfare only the government is built out of, nothing else. That is why each civilian must have a very pretty decent, affordable lifestyle, all the basic essentials met on a day-to-day basis. A civilian should never ever beg for any basic essentials help from any of the peers, be it relatives, be it parents, be it siblings. No. Nation's accountability, nation's responsibility to take care of that. And I have all the solutions which I have already provided. Not to the, even not to the Republican admin, but I've provided to the teams already. Everybody knows that I am the true leader. All the nations wanted me only to be the true leader, be it Korea, be it Japan, be it India, be it Ireland, be it Scotland, right? Be it United Arab Emirates. Everybody wanted me only to lead their nations because they all are in a choked up mode, because they realize that there is no good leader to guide the government, and that is how the government got destroyed, right? So when doctors are the boss for each nation, Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks are only one level of the layer only. There are so many layers in the medical field itself. But why I have to address those two people? They are not monsters, but why I have to address, and why I'm super mad and frustrated, and they will even understand my frustration with them? Because at the cost of death, they should have chose only healthy choices, right? So they should never have created this COVID-19 scandal at the first place. But they did it. Anyways, they did it. That itself displays that they provided breach of duty, right? Because whenever people, it is my understanding, whenever people get into the medical school, they provide a pledge, right? They are going to take care of the fellow mankind as their own family. And only then they start to even get to study the medical school for at least minimum 10 long years. It's complex. I might say Dr. Fauci and Dr. Binch to get out of the medical services. But then I do get it, because they are the ones who are studying the human anatomy, all that stuff. But then I'm talking on a very public mental health service provided mode. And they are on that level. I think both Dr. Fauci, Dr. Brinks, and I am are in the same page on that level. And that's why they can even understand why I'm asking them to get out of the medical services, because whatever they did is absolutely insane. Right? They made $1 trillion of revenue out of just COVID-19 mask alone. Right? Can you all imagine how the entire normal national operations was just like that turned over worldwide? It changed forever, right? Versus how people should have been laughing, right? And dancing, singing, and doing their work, doing whatever the chores they like to do. That's how it should be. But this scandal, it destroyed everything. But how to restore it? I only can restore it. I already said I eradicated the COVID-19 scandal, and that is a good news. right? That is an absolutely good news, and that is one of the reason how all the nations are slowly getting back into the normal mode because of my wisdom education. But versus the medical field, they provided the wrong and misguidance, and that is wrong. Okay, so this Republican government, I do not want them to feel guilty or feel shame, including President Trump or whatever. Why means I am the one who is going to remove the shame and the guilt for entire population, means including the Republican population also, who did the 100% of the destruction to the USA government, means they are at most at fault and found guilty mode, means zero tolerance to forgive. But even in the zero tolerance to cannot forgive mode, even in that mode, I can provide the bailout. Why means I only know how Republican government became abusive, means then I know how to fix it, right? See, I already said in a disease life cycle, always the creators, disease creators must, is never innocent. So Pope Francis and the teams have to be disciplined, not the Republican government. I will only allow them to, okay, go, you did the destruction, that's okay. Just go live free. Means that itself is the healthiest civil justice sign off for them. I already said when you are allowing the abusive patients to live free, that is the excellent civil justice punishment that can be provided. Why means by the time the civil justice is signed off, 99% of the abusive disease will be gone, right? And then only 1% they have to live with it. And even in that 1%, it will provide the do it yourself process. Means God will intervene and heal the foolish disease. So then it is an excellent processing. Rather, when I'm saying I have to throw all these government agencies in the jail, means that means it displays how severity level of the crime they provided, right? So for 4 years, the welfare services have to listen to the Republican government, and if the same government is not there, a different government is there, then for the next 4 years they have to listen to the different government, and accordingly the software needs to be changed. How many workload and how many frustration the broken government has been providing to the civilians worldwide. And people are only working in the workplace because of their survival mode. They have to get paycheck, they have to get the salary, they have to pay the bills, they have to take care of their family, they have to have a healthy meal in the dinner table, right? So it's all a chain reaction. So as of today is what, February, it's going to be February 1st, but anyways, I will go with as of today's date. As of today, January 31st, 2021, I, Vedapriya, own this text for ongoing civil justice sign-off process and for tax fraud provided by absolute monarchs, Republican government, and Democrat government of USA as well. So nobody can mock nobody. So what is the basic information? Nobody in the government are monsters. They are humans and they have the blood cells called with the red color. So then what happened to that being human always some nerve functionality malfunction, means there was intoxication injected to them. Pope Francis only educated, hey, be like this, be inhumane. Then I will provide more funds. Then I will provide, Pope Francis will provide more luxury. Means that dollars, that luxury mode just blinded the eyes. That's all. Right? So, and because of I've been providing all this, the write-ups for civil justice in earlier versions, I think I will go with one version more, and the other version I will just reduce the write-up so that I can keep moving forward. Because you all will be in shock, being aware the crime is two times: federal government, state government. Federal government, state government, then Republican government, then Democrat government. Means imagine the crime increasing in exponential way. Can't get it? How identifying an issue and tracking down, and it's a affordable, healthy, measurable risk mitigation process, right? So you all got educated now. So first I finished Queen Elizabeth created state tax mandate and federal tax mandate. Then Pope Francis, I finished that also. Pope Francis created state tax mandate and the federal tax mandate. Now which I'm working on, Republican government. So Republican government means everybody is going to get handcuffed, but everybody has to go to the jail. So nobody is escaping in this justice process. President Trump cannot run and hide. And then comes the Democrat, means boom, boom, boom. As I told, President Joe Biden will resign. Right? He is a lawmaker, means he should have educated the Republicans already as a true friend, but he never did that. So they were always, the Republicans and the Democrats, they were always having a not good relationship, right? That is the truth. People were mocking at each other, fighting at each other. They were thinking Republicans are gods, who is better, like that. And they were not providing any unified team process at all. But then how on the sweet talks they provide? Oh, we provide bipartisan solutions. No, they are not. That is the truth. So USA nation is at fault and found guilty in all counts of tax fraud provided by absolute monarchs on one side, then by the Republican government. Who is going to pay the damages? I already said, before providing damages on an emotional level, on a financial disability mode, people should have be ready to create new brains, new hearts. But when they cannot do that, why on the earth even they bother to damage human brains for fellow mankind, and they have to pay the price. Right? The Republican Senate, Republican GOP leader, all of them are in the same justice law of court only, be it Vice President Pence, whoever. So they proved, and they are proving that they are less human, right? Because of all their actions they did was merciless. It's just brutal, right? And that is wrong. People needs to know on a basic level how to treat fellow mankind in a healthy, humane process always, regardless, right? So for me, I am able to handle it, and I can see, then that's why I'm providing a wisdom education. Please do not do that. No, treat other fellow mankind as because they are all God's creations, right? God never only created only Republican government only, but they were acting, and they were their actions displays that they are only God created humans. All the other people are trash. That is wrong. That is absolutely wrong. Okay, so now tell me, if I'll just quickly go on each of thing on a very high level. Now, let's say if arranged marriage and forced arranged marriage and child marriage and LGBTQ marriage and domestic partners living together out of wedlock marriage, or getting pregnant out of wedlock marriage, and then polygamy marriage, and then love marriage is all healthiest, that is signed by Republican government. Don't you all think that they would not even bother to create state tax mandate at the first place, which is exclusively created only to mandate poverty for fellow mankind? Oh, there is no other crime in earth than to enforce poverty for fellow mankind. That means making a civilian to be financially crippled, financially disabled. So tell me, what did the welfare provided for financially disabled population? Nothing. And how many years this welfare services is there? At least according to my understanding, since 1935. There were some few good men who wanted to create that program, the welfare program at least, right? Because that's when people all were undergoing through a lot of wars, civil wars, and just coming out of that famine and unemployment, those kind of stuff. But that's why each generation there are good people always. That is how the generations were able to survive, even when all the filthiness, all the prosecutions were provided. But then, even with their good intentions when they started, this evil Pope Francis and evil Queen of England, they just intervened and they destroyed the welfare services. They just told, reject any welfare for African Americans just because they are a black skin. Reject education for them. Create two different education systems. Education only for African Americans. Education only for white school. Africans cannot come to white school people cannot come to African school. Now tell me, what is Pope Francis going to say? Either Pope Francis is going to say whether Pope Francis knows what is Africa or African Americans. Or Pope Francis has to say he have never ever heard Africa word in his entire life. Right? He never ever knows Africans who have only black skin. And that will be super fun, isn't it? Right? He is a religious leader and he is absolute monarch. And then he is also republic or two. So how holy, holy, how godly, godly. And also on top of it, he also jumped from heaven. That's what the absolute monarch says for a definition. Right? They have the divine rights of God to rule the nation. For what? To destroy the national operation. But the nations got it in the wrongful way. Because he fooled it in the sweetest talk. That's all it is. When I'm going to talk, it's going to be either correct is correct, wrong is wrong, toughest, right up front I display. But then it's going to be either people like me or hate me more. So, but then Pope Francis, he wore a mask and he fooled everybody. All the nations got fooled. Right? Now, please tell me how on the earth, what answer he's going to give. Whether he knows Africa or whether he don't know Africa. And what is Queen Elizabeth going to say? Whether she knows British African slave ships that was created for tax mandate to enforce poverty, to enforce slavery for Africans, to be chained on their legs and hands as an animals, less than animals, and enforced to be brought into the USA landmass and enforce them to pick cottons as a slave. Or Queen of England should also say she never have heard of Africa, never heard of the word called Africans. Oh, is it so? Is there a continent called Africa? Oh, sorry, I never know. Because I'm holy, holy Queen Elizabeth, right? Holy, Queen of England. Why on the earth I would even bother to know who are Africans like that? She has to say. So either ways, we won the case, my dear fellow mankind, isn't it? Right? So the Republican government was saying what? They are the holy God, but they only destroyed all the operations as per the code of abuse provided by Pope Francis. Pope Francis said, if do whatever I say, then you get the luxury and the fundings. So no other go. Can you all see how even the Republican government population became slaves to Pope on a dependent mode, right? So they wrote a bill policy. Okay, all the 50 states reject any benefits for African Americans, reject education for African Americans, reject any kind of loans for African Americans, reject any kind of financial aid for African American. Means how long this scandal have been going on? Is it 1 day, 2 days? No, 500 years, beyond that. See, this African slavery was even beyond that 500 years. This Africans brought into United States of America slavery was just only one part of the slavery worldwide knows. But that evil Queen of Elizabeth, she did the deadliest crime for the Africa and India, right? All those were all a huge continent only. So she just took all the people as slaves using the ships worldwide. And worldwide they were only mandated to be only slaves forever. So can you all imagine how the crime is exponentially increased? Africans are not only in Africa alone. Africa is a huge continent in all entire earth, right? What if that was provided with a healthy organization process? How it would have been a ruling nation by now, today. Why? It has 54 nations and absolutely lots of resources, natural resources. Same thing goes for India too. Same thing goes for South America too. But then these evil operations, they suppressed all their talents, right? How many people who are really very talented in the African American community are suppressed and wasted their talent because rejected, right? Career got destructed. And even in the workplace they get discriminated. So why that basic humanity got destroyed in the humans? If white people have white blood color, and African having red blood color, then that is at least we can think of. But then everybody has same blood color red only, right? So then emotions are same, feelings are same, memories are same, human operation functionality is same, right? So why the basic humanity got destroyed? Can you all understand how the Republican government, though in the at fault mode, though found guilty mode, is innocent? That's an innocence identified, because they never wanted to be abusive, right? They were thinking Republica means holy, holy, because Pope Francis is Republica. So that is why they can become Republica, means it's a holy word. But what is the meaning of that Republica? You all got it, right? Because I already explained the Revelation 18th chapter, which exactly explains what is Republica means. Republica is what? Prostitution. So that means whoever are fanatic love of Republica and saying, oh, see, I'm a Republican, like that means what are they proclaiming loudest? You all got it, right? And who provided that kind of a disability for the Republican population without their awareness? That means President Trump never knew that he being a Republican is slave to Pope Francis, and he is also called as a, because the Republican means what? Prostitution. And it's clearly written in Revelation 18th chapter. So I'm not only talking about President Trump. Billy Graham is a Republican too. Then he is also what? He was a proud Republican, right? So then what was he displaying? By being slave to Pope Francis, prostitute. And you all know, this is another testimony which I want to provide. When I was educated all the Christian evangelicals are the prostitutes. Why? Because they are the slaves of Pope Francis, and Pope Francis Satan is proved, and in Holy Bible, Babylon means prostitution. That is what Babylon is. The Islam Judaism way of living is sexual immorality. That is all. They live, breathe, eat, wear only sexual immorality. I already educated that. That means what? Sexual immorality is what? Prostitution. Prostitution means what? They have to first fool and provide a lot of temptations to help to make the fellow mankind to fall in trap, right? So can you all understand how people in the Republican government, though at fault mode, though handcuffed mode, though crime is deadliest mode, there is an innocent part, and how President Trump is still on the innocent spot only, according to my civil justice book of law. Imagine what if there was never a Republican government at all, always only one government in the USA. President Trump would have been in that government only, right? He would never have been a Republican. He would never even have chose that route at all. There was an unhealthy choice and he chose that route. That's all. What if the healthiest choice only was provided to President Trump? He would have chosen only healthiest choice no matter what, right? So there is that innocent part one side, and how the people, abusive people, are innocent only because they have become the leprosy patients. But that means President Trump is a leprosy patient as of now, right? Because he never knows that the crime of the Pope Francis means that itself is innocent. When the abusive people never knows what when they are hurting fellow mankind, it will create a disaster for fellow mankind. That itself is an innocence. That's a display of innocence, right? So, so that is why these Republican government, though in the handcuffed mode, have to pay penalty. So, because of all these destructions created by Republican government forever, what should the divorce process should be? Annulled, right? Because not even one marriage is healthy. Marriage types, and Pope Francis is going to answer for that. He is responsible for that, right? And that'd be super fun to watch, right? Either you have to say he knows what is arranged marriage or child marriage. Now tell me, if the Republican government is so holy like that, then they would have banned the child marriage in US a long time back, right? But they never did that. Why? That it's a proof, my dear fellow mankind, how the brains of the Republican population has been damaged. Right? They are all, count by count, are leprosy patients after all. right? Because once when a human don't know how to be human always, then that's a disease, that's a disability after all. So even on classification of providing disability, the medical providers, they created havoc, they created a total disaster. That means International Code of Disease Classification, everything, taxonomy, everything got wrong. Then how on the earth the Medicaid, Medicare services have been providing? So that's also wrong. Then when that's wrong, Hewlett Packard or any health insurance, Humana, everything wrong. So wrong, 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 wrong means imagine the exponential destruction already made. If you're going to see Humana, they're Republicans. Hewlett Packard, Republicans. Amazon, Republican. Walmart, Republicans. US Bank, Republicans. US Bank Corp, Republican. And all in the name of Republica only, they destroyed everything. What are they going to do? Well, how are they going to pay for the damages done? Right? At least Dr. Fauci and Brinks could have sat side by side with all the finance services and all the welfare services, and should have guided them in the rightful pathway. Hey, please do not damage the human brain nerves, dear government, because that will create a havoc. Otherwise, be prepared to pay penalty. At least that kind of an education they should have provided. They never did that, because they wanted to just enjoy the sufferings of fellow mankind, and they are having the doctor's name. That is wrong. Okay, so yes, I will stand in front of entire population and I will get the civil justice. So this testimony is all about what? This civil justice sign of, if you are in the same page, the Republican government, they created the havoc, total disaster, right? Even for insurance, if you go to auto insurance, just for non-living things, if the vehicle is total damage in the road accident, the insurance will say, okay, we will provide a new vehicle or alternative solution. Are humans less than even vehicles? You tell me. Are humans less than even Apple products or Google products, the robots, which will not even work if there is no electricity? So what happened to the basic humanity? Why? What went wrong? So civil justice as of January 2021 today, according to the Holy Bible guidelines, US Republican government should pay $500 trillion to each civilian times total population and President Joe Biden must resign. I, Vedapriya, become Vatican leader now with salary of tax-free $250,000 per annum, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge and Supreme Civil Family Law Judge across the globe. Then I, Vedapriya, become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director for all nations to lead Medical Services Center for Disease Control World Health Organization. Then I am native Indian tribe, true Israelite Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem. True owner of USA must be the ruler of USA. And Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name. So US government should pay me tax-free $1 billion for I eradicated COVID-19 plague fastest than the robo and saved entire human kingdoms. Who is COVID-19 after all? Who is COVID-19 plague? It is the Republican government and the Democrat government. It is the Queen Elizabeth and it is the Pope Francis. But then how people got fooled? Just because I filed a lawsuit against Department of Health Services, they created this havoc. That is wrong. That's absolutely wrong. Okay, so whatever is predicted in the Holy Bible is happening now, and yes, this crime has been 2 times and 2 different governments, and each and every people will be addressed. That means nobody is left out in the court of law. Okay, and I only can bail out all the government population, and I can remove the total shame and guilt, meaning President Trump, beyond whatever in a state mode, he should be in an ashamed mode only. Right, because bottom line, basic line, everybody are humans only, right? Okay, so that means he might be in at fault mode, at fault guilty mode, right? But that's what the true conviction creates. True conviction creates the true everything and then removes the shame and guilt, so that people can live free forever. Okay, so thank you all for your time, and this sign off is for Republican government mandated the state tax to enforce poverty, and that is the deadliest crime. Okay, talk to you all later. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye now.